Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view your chat history in Grok AI. So once you're inside the platform here guys, all you have to do is go ahead and click this burger menu with the search on the uppermost right hand side right next to your profile, and this is the history. Or you can simply press Control plus K and it's going to take you right into that history. So let's go ahead and click the history in the uppermost right hand side here, and here you can find all the history guys, and you can also find the temporary chat as well. So there is a temporary chat. If you click on that as well, you can see temporary chats, but you will not see anything over because that basically tells you that it does not, basically show you or save those temporary chat. But if I go back, you can see that I actually have some history there as well because of the various searches that I've done, and you can see the timing as well. So if you're looking for your history, this is how you'll find it. And if you'd like to open up any one of those history, you can simply go back and click on them, and it will take you into whatever history you have so you can continue from there. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.